What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in. Today, we are still in the garage, man. You guys seen we dropped off our 2017 Road Glide special with the red and the chrome with the cherry thing yesterday. Yes, man, we dropped that thing off at Harley. So hopefully they can crack the code, get some power to that thing, and hopefully we can get it started and hear that thing rumble in the jungle, man. I still got hope, still got my fingers crossed, man. So you should too. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers, man. So help your boy out. I definitely appreciate it, man. It will help me out a lot. Trying to get to a goal, man. It's been a long time goal of mine. So help me get to mine, just like somebody's helping you get to yours, man. So meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special Black Widow or my 2015 CVO, man, I'm giving them both away. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you anything on the site, a wallet or a hat, and you'll be entered into the giveaway, man. You buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get your entry while you can, man. But you guys seen the title of the video. I know I just scooped up a Road Glide a couple days ago, but this one was on the auction site so dearly close, and it was just like at the perfect right price, man. You guys probably already seen this thing with me a couple videos ago, man. So if you guys have seen it, you guys already know what it looked like and what's the damage and all that, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We about to head up to Copart right now, take delivery of a 2021 Road Glide Special. And check that thing out, man. I'm hoping for the best. It was looking good while we seen it in person, and we just happened to look on Copart this morning and scored, man. So now I'm about to bring that to my garage. I can't wait to get it in here. So let's head out now, shall we? Is she ready to? You ready to go bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say everything's regular. Say go get you a hat. Say go get you a hat. Give me a hat. Show him. Say go get you a hat. Say go get a wallet. Okay. Say you could win a bike. No. Say you could win a bike. Say you could win a Harley. Alrighty, guys, here we are. Just now making it up to Copart. It's like a type windstorm, if you will. There's so much dust and dirt flying around. So we're gonna see what's good. Hopefully they bring our bike out really quick and easy. Just hope for the best here now, shall we? Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on? 2021 Harley Davidson, mama. Say 2021. 2021. Yes, sir. I'm digging it. Got the joint on him, ready to go. Yes, sir. I am digging it. Here we have it, our 2021 Road Glide. Now, if you guys been watching my videos, man, you guys seen this bike in the walk around video maybe about a good month ago now, and it finally came up to auction yesterday. I guess whoever was bidding on it didn't bid up to what they wanted, and I looked at it this morning and it was like a buy now price, cheapest freaking 2021 I've ever bought, and we scored it here today first, guys. So I can't wait. We got this thing loaded up. It's time to get this thing strapped down, loaded up, ready to go. Now, it isn't too much damage. It's actually better than the 2017 Harley Davidson we just got. So looks actually looks pretty good, if you will, man. But we're gonna get this thing strapped up, loaded, ready to go, get back to the crib and get this thing intact, man. I can't wait. Let's get it. Just like that, man, we got that thing strapped up, ready to go. It's time to head to the crib, get this thing offloaded, get it cleaned, and really check it out, get some power to this battery, and hope for the best, man. We are like freaking 30-1 with a bike that we got don't start, man. So hopefully we don't go like 30-2, man. So let's get to the crib real quick and get it going, dog. And just like that, we done made it to the crib. Let's get this thing offloaded and get this thing cleaned up. Y'all know the process, man. Alrighty, man, it's about that time. We done got this thing offloaded. Got the keys right here, ready to go. So we about to clean this thing up. It's not too bad. It's not too dirty. It's been out here in Vegas, so literally, Copart isn't that bad out here. It's literally just a lot of dust. The other Coparts would be a bunch of spiders and stuff, but I am excited I grabbed this bike, man. I don't know if it starts yet or not, but like I said, you guys have to speak stuff into existence, man. I was at Copart a month ago, and I said it'd be dope to have this bike, man. So here it is, from Copart to our garage. It's time to get this thing looking like something, man. I can't wait. And I got an outer fairing already for it. I already got an inner fairing and stuff, so we should be able to put this one together if we don't do a quick flip on it. But all in all, nice bike, man. Let's get this thing shining and glide. Yes, sir, man. That thing shined up nice, even with a jacked up fairing, man. That thing looks real cold. Look at the chrome on that daddy-o. That thing is sick. That red is shining. Now, you guys seen that red line red 2022 at Harley yesterday. It would be nice to replicate that. However, this is a blank slate for me. So I don't know. I'm thinking, got some thoughts, man. Don't really know what color I'm gonna do just yet, but all in all, it does seem like a really cool, fair bike. Like I said, we got no power here. So I did go get a battery. Hopefully that'll gain us some power and be able to get this thing started. So I'm gonna fish that in there real quick, get the seat off and stuff, and fish the battery in there and try to hope for the best, man. Hopefully we can get some power or something. Alrighty, just like that, we didn't fish the battery out, put the new one in. Oh, yes. Yes, we got power, y'all. We got power. 14,000 miles on this clock. Yes, our radio is working. Okay, I'm digging that. Let's check and see if it got oil before we fire it up. Yeah. Yep, we got good oil. Oil level is great. It is great, guys. So let's see if we can get something going here, man. Moment of truth. Let's see. Yes, sir. Oh, dang, what happened? What happened, Jack? See. Alrighty. This thing has not been started in months. So I can see why it kind of stalled up a little bit. Wow. That's crazy. It didn't even have the run and drive symbol. It had it enhanced on it. Wow, man, that's freaking dope. 2021 Road Glide running. And I'm sure it's about to be driving pretty soon. We definitely gonna check it out here first. The one of these forks is a little bit bent, so we got to do the same thing. Actually, it might not even be the fork. It might just be the cup. So I think if we just change this cup, we should be all right. I honestly don't think it's the fork that's bent. Like I said, man, so far so good. So far so good. So we got to check engine light. We can probably clear that real quick and see what's up if it's running a little better. But so far so good, man. You can't beat it. 2021 for the ultra price, man. I'm digging it. Let me know what y'all think about it so far in the comments below, dog. All right, so we just cleared the codes. Let's see if we get a better startup. No more check engine light. So we are good to go, and it actually did start up a little better this time. So Pretty nice bike, man. I'm digging it. Feel like we scored on this one. This one might be one of them ones, Mr. 124. I think we might have to do it to this one, man. What y'all think? Y'all think we should do a 124 to this bike or what? Let me know what color y'all feeling, because y'all know this matte black is not my flavor, man. So let me know. I'm excited though. I am excited out. Now, typically I don't do this, but I got burning rubber fever, man. Let's see if this thing burns some rubber. I know the pipes ain't loud, but you know, maybe we can get this thing to turn up a little bit. It sounds a little too subtle for me. Just a little too subtle. Yep, after that burnout, we're definitely gonna need some pipes, man. This thing is not loud enough at all, like literally at all, man. Sounds good, runs good, a pretty nice running bike, man. I gotta throw my taste on it if we get that far. But like I said, whoever gets the bike, we're definitely gonna need some pipes and some loud Jones on this, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2015 Harley Davidson CVO Street Glide or my 2017 Road Glide Special, man, I'm giving them both away. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, buy anything on the site, a wallet or a hat, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. You buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over to everythingsregular.com right now and get your entry. Meanwhile, that was fun, man. We scored today. We spent less on this 2021 than we did that 2017, and the 2017 still didn't get no power or start yet. So kind of upset right now, hoping the 2017 starts, hoping we get a call from Harley really soon saying that they got it going, man. So I don't know. We'll have to see what's up though. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. Meanwhile, we got 4 bikes now, man. So we got to get this garage cleaned up and good to go. Now I want to put my tarp back over my truck, but I'm gonna have a feeling I'm gonna be picking up bikes and stuff a lot this upcoming week. So put that back in the corner and get everything situated, get ready for 2017 to come back, man. So let's get it cleaned up real quick. Just like that, guys, we got the garage all cleaned up, looking good. Got the red bike starting to take over, man. We got to get some different color in this garage because there's too many red bikes now. We got another red bike that's going to be sitting right here. So we got to get another bike here soon, man. Well, not another bike, but another color here soon now. I want to paint this 2021. However, I don't know if I'm going to do a quick sale on it or what, but I will keep you guys in the loop either way. Can't wait. Lineup is looking sick, man. If you guys have an interest to win either one, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, buy anything on the site, and you'll be entered to win. But all in all, looking pretty good, man. I'm excited. This thing runs, and it's not too much damage. So I would say this is a score, man. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below, dog. So alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. You guys seen about a month ago, we went up to Copart doing like just a regular Copart walk around. Now, we did see this 2021 Road Glide there. However, they didn't have a date for it to be on sale. So it was just looking at that point in time. Happened to wake up early this morning, seen it on there for a buy now price. I couldn't resist. So ended up grabbing that thing, went to go pick it up, and now it's here in our garage, man. So I'm a firm believer of speaking stuff into existence, man. So if you got a dream, a passion, or anything you see, start speaking it into existence, man, because you can have it and it'll be yours sooner than you can think, man. So start speaking these things into existence. Always shoot for the stars, man, and know where you want to go in life, man. In the meantime, man, I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. I definitely appreciate you. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe, man. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Give your boy a like. Make sure you hit that bell to get notified every time I drop a video. Let's hope for the best on our 2017. We haven't got that thing started yet, but we're going to keep our fingers crossed, man. Until next time, though, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.